Hey Tribe Forex traders, this is October 20th, 2014, and we're going to do this again. So it's time to get started. Now what you're looking at is actually a trade that I'm working on for you. It's actually a trade that we used to take back in the day and this one's on the pound dollar. Okay, so basically the way that it works is that we're trading gaps. So, a lot of you get antsy over the weekends and say, why don't we take a trade on Monday? Well, it's because the market, in many cases, is consolidating and it's giving us something to look at, right? It's better to trade less than to trade more. We'd rather make money, right, and stay out of the market when there's not opportunities to make money. So this is actually a gap trading strategy. Okay, and so I'll be opening this up to you. As you can see, it makes good money, great equity curve. So I'm dusting it off and I'm bringing it back for you. Okay, and so that of course is a part of your Tribe Forex membership. This is something I'm working on, so I'm just telling you what's in development, what's coming next. I'm really excited about this one. It's done really well on a lot of different currency pairs. And I just kind of went on about life without bringing it back, so I'm going to bring it back to you. All right, so let's talk about what we have today, what we're looking at, the trades that we want to take. I see a lot of lines on my chart. I know it's just been crazy this last couple of weeks of trading specifically, but we've got a couple of trade calls, so let's talk about those trade calls. So we're actually going to be taking a sell. So we're going to be in consolidation in the market for the next few days. We don't even have news coming out in the market tomorrow. So we're going to actually be looking for a sell at 128.20 on the euro dollar. So we're expecting for it to consolidate and come back down to 127.50 area. So we're going to look for a sell at 1.2820 on the euro dollar. Dollar Swiss is consolidating as well. I don't quite have a range there for you. Actually, 0.9470, which we were using as an area of support previously, has been used as an area of resistance. If we get back up there, there's a good chance that there's going to be a sell-off of 0.9470. That's not my official call. I'm actually going to do a no call on the Dollar Swiss. The pound dollar, I'm actually looking for a sell at 1.6215. A lot of support and resistance there, a lot of trend lines and pods there, and all sorts of stuff going on that I like. So we're going to look for a sell at 1.6215 on the pound dollar. And we're actually going to do something we haven't done in a while. We're going to take a sell on the dollar yen. So if we get a shot at it, based on what's been happening, no news coming out here as well, I'm going to look for a sell at 107.11 on the dollar yen. So I'm going to look for a sell at 107.11 on the dollar yen. And there's a lot of reasons for that. Nice trend line here on the dollar yen. There's no news coming out that we know of on the dollar yen either. So we think it's a decent bet for us to be able to step in and kind of ride that Bronco and see if it gives us something. And the New Zealand dollar, so the Aussie dollar, we've got no call. New Zealand dollar, I'm going to look for a sell again at 0.8005. 0.8005. We've got a pod 1 strongest here. That's a very strong area of support. And we're very, very close to that area, to be honest with you. So we're going to be looking for a sell at 0.8805. The pound yen and the euro yen, they've got opportunities, and I think there's a sell opportunity on both of them. But we're not quite prepared to take those trades yet, as they continue to have kind of like a very erratic movement, and very powerful but erratic movement. So we're going to leave those alone. And the dollar CAD, actually, we were thinking about taking a buy at 1.1250, but we're going to hold off on that and see how the market responds. In general, the dollar CAD has shown that it wants to move back up wants to continue to move up, but it isn't a consolidation, and so it could consolidate in this range. So we're going to call that a no call as well. So our calls for today are euro dollar sell at 1.2820, pound dollar sell at 1.6215, dollar yen sell at 107.11, and New Zealand dollar sell at 0.8805. Thank you. Or 0.8005. Thank you. See you guys in the next trading session. And in fact, we have the live trade room tonight, 1 a.m. Eastern Time, and then again 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.